Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the installation safe. Shut off the charger circuit at the breaker and tag it. Verify there is no charging session active and confirm the car is off and unplugged. Once done, put on insulating gloves and have a helper hold a spot light or phone light so you can see clearly. Make sure to inform building management or your utility if the charger is metered. This prevents surprises. You're not touching wiring yet. You're establishing a safe work condition and control of power. You now prepare to access the charger body. Support the unit so it cannot drop, then remove the external trim and fasteners to expose the wiring compartment. Take clear photos of every terminal and cable route so you can restore them later. Label each conductor with tape and a marker. If the charger is hardwired, do not touch live conductors. Verify power is off with a tester or have an electrician do the verification. Make sure screws and small parts go into separate containers for reassembly or disposal. You finish by disconnecting the plug or loosening terminal screws only after you've verified 0 voltage. Then unbolt the mounting bracket and lower the charger with help. Place it on a padded surface for transport or disposal. Replace any junction or cover plates to restore the wall and reset the breaker. Then perform a basic circuit check without the charger attached. If you find tripping breakers, burning smells, damaged cable insulation, or uncertain wiring, stop and call a licensed electrician. This single troubleshooting tip prevents.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.